everybody, so today we're going to be looking at dividing by 2. So we've done lots around grouping and sharing. Today we're just going to focus on dividing by 2. So again, there's a little clip that you can watch on dividing by 2. So I've put that on the Sway document so that you can get a little bit more information on dividing by 2. So here we have our first one. So if I put my pen on again so I can help you. So complete the sentences. So we've got 12 cherries. How many groups do we have? How many groups have we got? Yeah, we've got 2 groups of cherries, haven't we? So we've got one group here and one group there. How many cherries are in each group? Okay, so how many cherries are in each group? There are 6 cherries in each group, aren't there? Because if we look, there are 6 cherries on this here. So 12 divided by 2 is going to equal what then? So remember, we're just using these 3 numbers. These help us. 12 divided by 2 is going to equal 6. Well done if you said that. So what do we times by 2 to get us to 12 then? Remember, this is a doubling fact as well. It is also our times tables, our 2 times tables. So you should have been practicing those while you've been at home. So yeah, 2 times 6 equals 12. Well done if you said that. Okay, see if you can have a go at this one then on your own. So there are 10 muffins. I want to know how many muffins are in each group, how many groups there are, and then what are the missing numbers for the division and multiplication sentences. So there are 2 muffins in each group. There are 5 groups. Therefore, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 5 times 2 equals 10. Give yourselves a big tick if you did that. Next one then. Complete the number sentences for each array. So we're going to group them in 2s again. So what do we times by 2 to get to 8? Yeah, it's 4, isn't it? Okay, because it means we've got 4 groups, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4 again, doesn't it? Okay, and if you need to draw the counters and circle them, that's absolutely fine as well. So let's see if you can have a go at this one then. So we've got 8 groups, and we times that by 2 to give us 16. Therefore, 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. So it's the inverse, isn't it? Division is the inverse of multiplication. So if we've got 14 socks, and we're going to pair them up, how many pairs of socks do we have? So again, if you need to draw the socks or draw circles to represent the socks, pause the video and do that now. How many pairs of socks do you have? And see if you can complete the number sentence. So we've got 7 pairs of socks. So we know 14 divided by 2, because they've gone into groups of 2 because they are pairs, equals 7. Again, give yourselves a tick if you did that. See if you can have a go at this number line then. This is a little bit more trickier, isn't it? Okay, number line. And you might want to draw your own number line. I'm sure you're all capable of doing that. And you're going to jump in 2s. Or you might be able to pause the video and just do it on the screen using your finger. So pause the video, off you go. So yeah, we should have done, if you've done the number line, you should have done another jump to 6, another jump to 4, another jump to 2, and another jump to 0, because it's in jumps of 2. So how many jumps have I done? I've done 6 jumps. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. What about this one then? 20 divided by 2. See if you can work that one out. Off you go. Yeah, 20 divided by 2 is 10, isn't it? Half of 20, okay? So another way to work it out is we know that 20, if you're dividing it by 2, you're halving something, aren't you? And that's what we've done as well, isn't it? We've looked at halving. So we know half of 20 is 10. So there's another way that we can work it out. There may even be more than another way. Send it across on Tapestry if you've found other ways. So your task today then is to share these numbers by 2. Write the number sentence using the division sign and use counters or drawings, things in your house, whatever you've got to help you solve them. So you're going to divide 12 by 2, 18 by 2, 10 by 2, 14 by 2 and 20 by 2. Don't forget to send your work on Tapestry.